to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Selena, the series, Season 1, about the role and expected plotline. Selena Quintanilla, for all time modified the Tex-Mex song Seen Together, along with her effective voice and charisma. With a multitude of celebrities bringing up her as an inspiration, Selena remains celebrated. Now 25 years after her death, the past due Tejano singer's lifestyles can be showcased at the small display screen in Netflix's Selena, the series which is about to top rated in early December. The display will observe the upward push of Selena from a nearby Texas singer-songwriter to an international song phenomenon. She will be portrayed via way of means of Twilight actor Christian Serratos, who's of Mexican and Italian descent. Here are all of the info to recognize about Selena the series. What is Selena the series about? Described as a coming-of-age tale, Selena the series will chronicle Selena's lifestyle as she and a circle of relatives makes lifestyles converting choices all within sight the call of musical success. Originally from Lake Jackson, Texas, Selena started her making a song career at age 10, appearing in her circle of relatives band, Selena Y Los Dinos, along with a brother A.B. Quintanilla and her sister Suzette Quintanilla. Selena grew as much as to be one of the maximum influential crossover artists, resonating with the Latino community and gaining momentum amongst English speakers. The artist went directly to win Best Mexican American Album on the 1994 Grammy Awards, turning into the first lady Tejano artist to do so. The following year, Selena executed for a record-breaking audience on the Houston Live's talk show and rodeo. Tragically, a month while March 31, 1995, Selena was murdered by Yolanda Saldivar, the founding father of her fan club. At 23 years old, Selena died from a gunshot wound in Corpus Christi, Texas. Selena the series will take a better have, and to take observe Selena's familial relationships, her one-of-a-type style, and a marriage with husband Chris Perez. What role will she play? Christian Serratos, who's of Mexican and Italian descent, will play Selena, and a resemblance to the big name is uncanny. Before the starring role, Serratos has regarded on The Walking Dead and with inside the Twilight movies. She might also additionally have anticipated she would have this role. In 2015, Serratos told MTV that she would sooner or later want to play any individual who's very famously Latina. Selena is an inspirational parent who's transcended generations. We have usually recognized it turned into important for this collection to locate actors with the proper blend of talent, charisma, and ardor to honor Selena's legacy and the tale of a circle of relatives. Jamie Davila, the display's government producer, stated in her group has observed an incredible force to depict the Quintanilla-owned circle of relatives, and we are positive fanatics anywhere can be captivated over again via way of means of Selena's fantastic lifestyles. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com. And if you liked our video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel, Release on Netflix.